Hi Cavalier fam, today's classic cocktail is the Sidecar. For this recipe, you will need cognac, orange liqueur, fresh lemon juice, and orange for garnish. The recipe itself is simple. 2 parts cognac and 1 part each of the orange liqueur, and we'll be using Grand Marnier, and the fresh lemon juice. We start by adding 2 parts cognac directly into our shaker. We'll fill this full once and twice. Next, 1 part of our Grand Marnier. These are 1 ounce parts. And in order to get 1 ounce out of a lemon, you will need to juice an entire lemon. So the first half will give us 1/2 ounce. And then the second half for 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next, we will top with ice and shake. You want to be sure to have a good amount of chill on the outside of your tin. Then we will strain this into our glass. We garnish with a bit of orange rind or twist. I like to use the full rind either with a knife or a vegetable peeler. It gives us a nice opportunity to get a good bit of the skin and all the oil that comes with it. This drink is so named a sidecar because of the little bit that may be left in your shaker. And there you have it, a sidecar. Cheers.